आज जिस चैप्टर पे बात करनी है, जिस मौजूद पे बात करनी है, वो ये है कि जो इंसानी मुआशरे हैं, इनमें कहीं कहीं, मैं नाम नहीं लेता मुआशरों का, कहीं कहीं किसी किसी शहर में, किसी किसी इलाके में, किसी किसी मुल्क में हुकूमतें अपनी किसी जरूरत के तहत मोरालिटी का जो फीवर है वो आम कर देती है. All the people living in that society, in that country, in that area, in that province, in that city, began to think that they are criminals, कि मुजरिम हैं. They began to suffer from some guilt, some unknown guilt, the fear of the unknown. They think that they blame themselves that only they are the sinful people. अगर कोई दुनिया में गुनाहगार मौजूद है तो मैं ही हूं. People become patients of morality, and we need doctors to cure the patients of the disease of morality they are suffering from. The overdose of morality, excess of morality tells upon the people, tells upon the health of the people, tells upon the mental health of the people, tells upon the physical health of the people, tells upon the psychological health of the people, tells upon the intellectual health of the people. The overdose of morality. And to treat the patients suffering from this overdose of morality, we have to have some medicines, we have to have some hospitals, we have to have some doctors who can cure the patients of the morality they are suffering from. वो morality का एक पॉइंट क्या है कि सिर्फ मैं ठीक हूं, बाकी सब गलत है. एक उसका पहलू ये है, when this fever of morality is on, people begin to think that only they are right. Otherwise, all the people are wrong. All the people have to be reformed. जिसको मोरालिटी का बुखार चढ़ जाता है वो कहता है घर में सिर्फ मैं ठीक हूं, बाकी सारे गलत है. Only I am right. I am right. All the other people are wrong. This fever of morality, which tells you that only you are right, has to be treated. If you have got a right to be right, everybody else has also got a right to be right. If you have got a right to be right, why don't you give this right to others to be right? If you can be right, others can also be right. How is it possible that only you are right? Am I clear? Thank you.